Are you tired of trying to figure out how much a product costs per unit? Look no further. In this video, we will show you how to use a price per unit calculator to easily calculate the cost per unit of any product. Whether you are a consumer trying to save money on groceries or a business owner trying to price your products effectively, this tutorial is for you. Follow along with us to learn this valuable skill that can save you time and money. Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate the price per unit of any product. In this video, we'll show you how to use a simple price per unit calculator to make informed decisions when comparing the cost of products. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently calculate the price per unit of any product, whether you're shopping for groceries or pricing your products for your business. The importance of calculating the price per unit. Have you ever been shopping and wondered which brand is the best value for your money? By calculating the price per unit, you can easily compare the cost of products and make an informed decision. Knowing the price per unit also helps you avoid being misled by packaging that may make a product appear cheaper or more expensive than it actually is. How to use the price per unit calculator. To use the calculator, you will need to know the total price and the total units of the product. Let's say you are comparing two brands of cereal. One box of cereal costs $4.50 and has 12 ounces, while the other box costs $5 and has 16 ounces. Enter the total price and total units of each product into the calculator, and click the Calculate button. The calculator will then tell you the price per unit of each product. In this example, the price per unit of the first box of cereal is 38 cents per ounce, while the price per unit of the second box of cereal is 31 cents per ounce. So, even though the second box of cereal is more expensive, it is actually the better value. Using the price per unit calculator in business. If you own a business, calculating the price per unit is essential to pricing your products effectively. Knowing the cost of each unit helps you determine the profit margin and set prices that are competitive and profitable. The price per unit calculator can also help you determine the break-even point for your products. Conclusion: now that you know how to calculate the price per unit of any product, you can make informed decisions when shopping or pricing your products. This simple skill can save you time and money in the long run, and help you make better decisions when it comes to purchasing or selling products. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.